What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday over here, Labor Day, and if you're in the US. On this post, my main topic here is going to be Solana, SOL token, and seeing what is going on in this market. Going to be updating from my previous post and see if anything has changed. Also going to be taking a very quick look into Bitcoin and how that could potentially affect the overall crypto markets, because currently it is under 26K again, very close to a possible breakdown to a steep drop here for Bitcoin, and that could spell a lot of trouble for a lot of the altcoins. Going to be taking a look here. Also going to be taking a look into some upwards and downwards price targets for Solana, as well as some key price levels this market needs to break in order to go either direction. I will be giving you guys my personal opinion and sentiments on this market later on in this video, so make sure to stick around. Of course, all of this is purely my sole opinion. It is my speculation only. You guys should be doing your own research and homework before trading or investing in this market. Okay, I am not a financial advisor nor an elite trader of any sort, even though I am a profitable trader who's managed to keep most of my profits in the last bear market. But I am looking to crush it here for the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's take a look into the charts here. All right, so we do have Solana currently right above $19. Not too much movement today, but we do have a little bit of movement in Bitcoin, which we will get to. I'm gonna try to keep this post short because it is my third post today, and I'm just trying to keep it short. Let's go ahead and see what is going on in Solana here. So as I have mentioned last time, on this weekly time frame or even the 3-day time frame, you guys can see it pretty clearly that there is a falling wedge pattern here. Okay, falling wedges usually break to the upside, usually. Okay, not absolutely. If it actually breaks to the upside here, we do have a measure target, which is taken by measuring the opening of the pattern, and then you pick a breakout point. Okay, in this case, I'm just gonna pick this week. It's random. It's not necessarily it's gonna break out this week. Okay, I'm just taking a breakout point so I can get a measure move. If we actually put that measure move on top of this week's if it actually breaks out by this week, then we have a measure move by at right underneath $30 here. Okay, right underneath $30 measure targets. Now, measure targets are estimates only. It is not an automatic that it's going to hit that measure target. Okay, do your own research and Google searches on what measure targets mean, as well as all the trading terms I am throwing out here. It is open knowledge on the internet. Go and verify it for yourself, because at the end of the day, you're here because you want to you're interested in technical analysis, right? So I think, in my very strong opinion, that if you actually know technical analysis, you will be able to make good decisions on your own, okay, without the help or with very little help of others if need be. Okay, so that's really what I'm looking at. That's the upside price target. Some key price levels to be looking out for would be the weekly 21 and the weekly 50, which is basically very close to that top trend line there. Okay, let's zoom in. Well, we can't. Let's see here. Okay, it's gonna be about $21 area where the weekly 21 and the 50 is, the blue and the gray line respectively. So quite a bit of resistance before breaking out, or even right after the breakout of this pattern. Weekly 21 and the weekly 50 are basically between $21 and $23. weekly 200, which is the orange line, is pretty far away to even worry about. It's at about almost $40. Daily moving averages, basically between $21 and $23 at this moment, but it could be coming down pretty quickly because, it's updated on the daily basis. Monthly 21 is at about $40. Quite far away to really worry about it right now. That's as resistance. Okay, so that is the upside. That is the scenario for the upside. Let's take a look into the downside scenario. Always have to consider the downside, okay? Okay, so we have basically, let's take a look into the monthly time frame. I want to see a consolidated view of past trading history for to see potential support. Okay. Let's see if I can refer back to at least the falling wedge pattern here. Okay, if the falling wedge pattern was to take another leg down here, then the next estimated downside, at least from this pattern, would be about 1750 in that area. Okay. 1750, and then if you guys have this falling wedge pattern drawn, you guys can basically extrapolate this yourself. For when the price action looks like it's gonna come down to the next point in this falling wedge pattern. Okay. So according to this falling wedge pattern, okay, it's going to be about the 1750 area. It's not going to be an exact value. Yes, 1750 area, depending on the time frame you're looking at it. Okay, I'm just going to say 1750 area. That is one point I'll be looking for according to the pattern there. The next one would be about that 8. Yeah, I mean this support tells me that there's confluence between this level of support from this candle here, from the past candle, which is about $18, but 1750, I think it's in that range, right? The next level of support coming from this previous trading candle here would be about 16 to 1650, coming from this candle from about March 2023. And then the next level down, I'm going to be referring back to these candles here, right? Which would be about $14 to, let me take, yeah, about $14 coming from these two candles here, if you guys could see, about $14 area, okay? So 1750 and then $14, those are the next two key levels of area that I'll be looking for if the price action is going to break down. Let's go ahead and take a look into Bitcoin very quick. I'm going to share with you guys my sentiment and opinions overall on this market. But before we do, if you guys have made it this far into this video and want to get some free stocks, make sure to check out my referral link down below for Webull. If you guys don't already have an account, they're still giving away 6 to 12 free stocks valued up to $3,000 at the time of recording of this video. Terms and conditions do apply when you open an account and deposit $100 US. So if you guys are going to trade anyways, get your free stocks. Why not, right? I did enjoy using Webull as an exchange for beginners. I think they're great and very easy to use to trade stocks and cryptos. But with any exchange, I would not put most or all my money in any one exchange because, anyone could go down. And I personally spread my money around several exchanges. So in case one goes down, I don't get wrecked. So with that said, make sure to check out my referral link down below. I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. So that directly supports my channel. Let's go ahead and go to Bitcoin. So today we do have Bitcoin at about 25.8K now, dropping a little bit since earlier today. And I've been saying the very bearish case scenario that, bulls are trying to avoid would be breaking down from this double top pattern that is very apparent on the weekly time frame. In my opinion, it would be breaking 24.7K. That would confirm the breakdown of this double top pattern. Could it bounce and fake the bears out from this weekly 50 SMA? We're just gonna have to see and look into a lower time frame and see what that tells us. What's more likely to happen? Okay. I'm not gonna dig into Bitcoin too much because that is the one scenario that we're the closest to. If you guys want to see more of what I said, you guys can read my previous posts today. Not too much has changed. My overall sentiment on this market is still overall bullish until we get a confirmed breakdown here because we have a pretty steep bearish measure target here. I am long and short on some altcoins, depending on their setup. I am not currently trading Solana right now, but if you guys want to see more Solana updates, like, subscribe, comment. If enough of you guys want to see it, I will continue to bring you a follow-up on Solana. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day.